As it stands now, I suspect there will be many other appellants who will have to be released because their transcripts could not be found. So this is the tip of the legal iceberg that we are facing here.
That was attorney at law Jerry Edwin speaking on the implication of the loss of transcript within the Supreme Court, a technicality that led to the immediate release of Alexander Clack on Tuesday morning. He says the case of Clack is not the first, as he has a client who was freed under the same circumstances and one who is presently in the same situation.
This is not the first time. In a previous murder case, I had a client. We received an order from the Court of Appeal that the transcript should be prepared. And for 3 years, no transcript could be found. And so my client was released. I have the case of a young man named Javid Glasgow. He is dissatisfied with the 15-year sentence he received. For the last 3 years, we cannot find his transcript. All that could be found was one half. Can you believe this? One half of the transcript.
The lawyer says the use of tapes and other outdated tools within the court has proven to be a strain on the office of the registrar.
Now, let us not castigate anyone here. It is not the fault of the registry. It's more a technological issue. We are working with outdated technology tools. We need to digitize these transcripts. As soon as they are made, they should be put in the cloud and stored there. Being ever mindful of these problems, I should say these minefields that can lead to a miscarriage of justice.
Edwin says that if something is not done soon, then this situation will never go away. It's been years since local lawyers such as Anselm Clouden have been using the media to call for better security and tools for court documents. Clouden said securing court documents must be paramount.
And it is very likely that this case would be a precedent-setting case. So I'm calling on the new administration. We knew things were done haphazardly in the past, and things were just there laying around. There was no respect for the rule of law, no respect for judgments of the court. I think we should now insist in the transformational agenda that all court documents are properly secured.
It is the hope that the new transformative regime will address this speedily. For GBN News, I am Rena Pett Thomas reporting.